Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. So we're outside. We're not in the kitchen today. I already made jambalaya and potato salad, which there are already recipes for. So we are going to get the hay bale garden started. And in order to do that, you're going to need hay bales. And the best stuff to use is straw, but if you don't have straw, anything else will do. The only thing you have to remember when you set them up is to put the cut end of the straw or hay or whatever up, because that will soak the water into the hollow part of the grass or hay or straw. You'll see, because the other side is going to be looped over grass and the cut end is just going to be cut. So get your hay bale garden all situated how you want it, and then you have to condition the bales. And to do that, you're going to need some fertilizer. When choosing your fertilizer, you just want your basic lawn fertilizer. You can go the natural way too, but I use the pre-made fertilizer, and it has a 29% nitrogen. The rest of the numbers doesn't matter. Just make sure that you have 29% nitrogen and that it does not have the weed and feed type. You don't want to have any kind of herbicide in it. And to start, you want to start with a half a cup per bale. So here, I've just got my basic cup. I'm going to take a half a cup of fertilizer, and then I'm going to mark it. Like that. This way I don't have to keep coming back to the bag with my little half a cup. Sorry guys, I'm in my pajamas. That's why I'm not going to be on camera. So there we go. We can sprinkle this 3 times without having to come back to the bag. Then you want to evenly sprinkle the bale. These bales are going to get super hot. Joe's going to kill me for that. Ronnie, what are you doing? Hey, Ron. Okay, once you get the fertilizer on all of your bales, then you want to go ahead and water them. You want to water them until the water comes out of the bottom of each bale. I like to try and get the granules down in the hay. And y'all, it's going to take 12 days to finish this process before you can plant. Alright, they're all watered. Tomorrow we'll have to do the same thing. This is day 2. conditioning the bales. And on day 2, all you do is water until water runs out the bottom. You want to soak them pretty good. These other bales, these alfalfa bales, are so tight that you can only water a little at a time because the water will just run off of them. The straw bales are different. Alright everybody, so that's it for day 2. Just water the bales until water comes out the bottom. And if you live in a dry climate, you might want to do it twice a day. Water them twice a day. It's almost time to cut the grass. So I'll see you tomorrow, and tomorrow we're going to fertilize again. Okay y'all, it is day 3 of the hay bale garden, and we are again going to add a half a cup to each bale. Alrighty, again, after you get all the fertilizer on the bales on day 3, then you want to water, and water very good. Make sure the water's coming out the bottom.
So this is your day 4 of your conditioning? And today what do you do? Just water?
Just water. Alright everybody, we're back for round 5. It's day 5 and we're back to using the fertilizer, half a cup for each bale, and then water.
She's been out there doing these bales tonight for almost 2 full hours now.
Okay, it is 9 o'clock or after 9 o'clock and I'm finished. It took over 2 hours to fertilize and water all of the bales. So it's done. Big boy got kicked out the house. He was going after Beauty, so Joe kicked him out. Oh, big boy. So that's it for tonight. Tomorrow will be day 6. See you tomorrow. Hey everybody. We are on day 6, and today is just a water day. Just water those bales and soak it real good. This takes forever. Okay y'all, that's it for day 6. I think after tomorrow, Joe's gonna edit this video and upload it. So we'll do a second half of this. So stay tuned. Okay, we're at day 7, and we again do a half a cup per bale of the fertilizer. Gnats are out like crazy. And Chunko. Alrighty, all the bales have fertilizer, and now we got to work it in.
Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. Melissa has finished day 7. She has 5 more days to go till these are ready. Going to break this into 2 separate videos because if you're doing bales, you need to get going on the first 7 days. I will see you guys on the next video.